I have news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, since the past few days, there have been tensions in the Kotwa region in Jammu, where there's been an encounter as well since the past 2 days. We are informed of fresh firing that has come in from the encounter site in Juthana village. Remember, these are far-flung areas. These are forests and fields, very difficult to operate in. It's a joint operation by the army, by the JKP. Efforts are on now to trace the bodies of the terrorists, and also sadly we have had casualties from our side. And remember, this is in many ways a reminder of what our police personnel and our forces, even right now in a much different J&K, are still facing. This is what Pakistan consistently is trying to do. Counter-terror operation resumes. Sunil G. Bhatt joins me. Sunil, tell us about what is the current status. So there has been confirmation of terrorists neutralized. Sadly, there are casualties of the corps as well from JKP. Tell us about that. And why is the retrieval of bodies so difficult?
Pooja, search operation was resumed by the security forces early this morning, and the latest information from ground is that fresh firing has been reported from Juthana area, and teams from the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, as well as from the paramilitary forces are, on ground. Many teams have gone in deep inside the forested area, and the priority is to neutralize the remaining 3 terrorists. And Pooja, this operation has resumed again. Fresh firing has been reported. In this operation, the security forces have eliminated 2 terrorists. 2 terrorists were eliminated by security forces yesterday. Unfortunately, 3 of our Jawans from the Jammu and Kashmir Police lost their lives. They made the supreme sacrifice of their lives in this counter-terror operation. Their bodies are yet to be retrieved because this is a very difficult area. This stretch, Juthana stretch, is surrounded by mountains and densely forested area. So it becomes very difficult to carry out counter-terror operation in areas like these. The security forces are on their job. Many teams have gone inside the forest area, and they are trying to retrieve the bodies of the 3 security personnel who made the supreme sacrifice of their lives. They attained Veer Gati, and this operation has now been intensified with the special forces of the army also joining this counter-terror operation. Senior officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police, including Director General of J&K Police, Nalin Prabhat, are monitoring the situation. They are, getting updates, minute-to-minute updates as far as this counter-terror operation is concerned. 2 terrorists were eliminated yesterday. 3 more are holed up in the forest area, and the security forces are trying their level best to neutralize them as soon as possible.
Again, a reminder to the viewer that tensions prevailed, at least especially in the border areas. Even now, Pakistan trying to do whatever it can to disturb the peace and prosperity J&K is witnessing.